Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing us how we can rebrand our soap. Maybe the soap is bad or you did not work on your formula before you made it. Maybe the soap is soft or there's any negative something on the soap. All you need to do is follow this process and you are going to be good to go. I measured my palm kernel oil. I just added the color, and that is why you can see the oil looking so will I say reddish. I added yellow color. So I'm measuring my caustic soda. So the caustic soda solution that I measured for this production is reduced. I reduced the water content. So I just added the caustic soda to the water, to the palm kernel oil. And after mixing it for a while, you can see the thickness of the caustic soda. You can see how thick it is. On a normal day, the soap will not be this thick. So after doing that, I started scooping out the bad soap. This soap I'm scooping out is a soap, a batch that was made that with the students it went bad. This one that I'm pouring inside could be your bad soap, could be a soap you want to rebatch, but I made a fresh soap. Then I started pouring in this other one that is not so good. So this other one that is not so good will cover up for the water reduction that I did. There's something we do in our bath soap that we can refer to as, you are reducing the measurement of water for a purpose, and that is what I did in this production. I did a water discount. So I removed a portion of water in my caustic soda so that I can have a thick solution, then I can add this. Yes, this video is a fast one. If you have watched this video up to now and you are not a subscriber, please subscribe to this channel. There are so many goodies, there are so many information that you are going to be getting to know. Fresh information. If you go around, you may not be seeing some of the things you see on this video as detailed as it is. Now, this particular method of rebatching is not the common type. You don't have to put it on fire. This is cold process method of rebatching. So you put your palm kernel oil, you put your oil, your soap you are trying to rebatch. Make sure I'm adding in my sodium sulfate. They are very important. I added double the sodium sulfate I'm supposed to add, so that one portion of the sodium sulfate will act for the initial one I started with the palm kernel oil and the caustic soda. The other portion will work for the one that I added, the soap that I'm rebatching. Here is my silicate. You are going to add everything you are supposed to add into your soap normally. So this particular soap can pass for a premier soap or a Keno soap. Now I am adding in my glycerin. I just added the glycerin. I'm going to mix it thoroughly. You know, when I say a premier soap or a Keno soap, I'm adding in my vitamin E. That's the golden color. Our vitamin E is an antioxidant. It works wonders on the skin. So this soap will pass for a bathing soap. For those people that need something to bathe, you are having dry skin or you are wanting something that will moisturize your skin, this soap will go a long way. Now I added yellow color, and that is why the soap that was deep green is coming out like a lemon green color. So please be aware that whatever color you are combining will give you the results of whatever color that is going to be coming up. Now I just added in my silicate into the solution and I'm stirring it together. If you look very well or you zoom your screen, you'll be seeing that the soap looks like it has particles, but never mind. By the time the soap is done, the particles will be over. Now that's my fragrance. Now I'm managing this soap mode. It's a new one I made locally, and I'm trying to make sure I show you that if you don't have fancy molds like the one we use, please tell your carpenter to make your preferred size. Then put nylon into it if there's no silicone mold that will fit into it, and your soap is made. You are going to see me when I unmold this soap and I'm going to be cutting it. Now it is important for us to know that every ingredient that we use in the normal soap production will be added to this rebatch soap. Also, of worthy of note is that the color combination that you use will determine the color that the soap will come out with. Also very important is that the soap will not dry and in the normal time that your normal production should dry. For instance, a normal production under 6-8 hours is dried. If we want to cut it, we wait till the next day, which is 24 hours. But this soap actually before the time I did the cutting, was on the shelf for like 6 or 1 week. It stayed for 6 days or 1 week. So you will not expect that if you use this method, the soap will solidify in just few hours like the normal soap should do. And that is why we call it rebatch. So be ready to um be patient with the soap so that it's going to give you the desired result. Now the soap is done, I've poured it into my mold. I'm only making a design to make it fine by the time I'm going to be unmolding it. For those of you that are not aware, please be aware that we have classes, paid class for bar soap, for body lotion, for oils, for omo, for different kind of things that we have done on our channel. We have paid class. If you are interested in the paid class, please feel free to send us a DM. Now, I'm sorry I did the cutting in the night. I think I made some productions till very late in the night, and I was intentional about this. I wanted to make sure that I cut that soap that day. Also, for those of you that have been coming along with me, this is not my regular cutter. There are several kind of cutter. This is a way of telling you that there are several types of cutter, and that all these cutters are available. If you want, I'm using the knife in this case. You can use this to measure the same measurement and cut it accordingly. There's another mode that I use that is universal. You can measure the size you want and cut it accordingly. There's another mode that we also use that is single. Whatever soap you make, you're always going to be cutting the same design. Whichever of the modes you are interested in, or you're interested in a paid class, feel free to contact us, and we are going to put you through. We are going to take you from a nobody in production to a pro. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and see you in my next video. Bye.